Let's just see another giveaway by Iris protocol, and the reward is around 5,000 US dollar, and the reward is very much high. And the tasks are very simple. But before going to the task, let me just show you the what exactly the rewards are. So one lucky winner will get 2,000 US dollar. One platinum lucky winner will get 1,000 US dollar. Two people will get $500 each. Two people will get $100 each, and six people will get $50 each, and 50% will get $10 each. So this is a very good reward, and all you have to do is just follow these things, like just follow their Twitter. I've already opened a Twitter here, so I'm just following it. So I have followed it. Next thing is retweet the giveaway tweet plus tag three friends. So what you have to do is this is the giveaway tweet. What you have to do is just like and click over here and just quote tweet here. I'm again repeating, as it is saying that you have to tag three friends by retweeting it. So just go for the quote tweet. So I have already prepared. I have tagged three friends here and prepared a small message here, just a best wishes type of thing. So let me just tweet it. So I have tweeted it. So this is a tweet. This is the retweet which I have given here. And the next thing which we have to do is we have to join the official Telegram channel. So let me just join it. Okay, I have joined the official Telegram group. Now what we have to do is next thing, let's just see. Now we have to join their Discord server. So let's just join it. As the reward is high, so it is a good idea to join the Discord channel or Discord server or various protocol. So let's just join it. Now there is a one important thing, you have already joined, but if you haven't verified this, then your entry will not be considered. So always remember, whenever you join a Discord for certain token, always verify it. So what you have to do is just click on this verify. It will ask for just yeah, this is the verification. All you have to do is, you can read all these things, but all you have to do is just click over here. Okay, so I clicked it. As you have noticed, as soon as I have clicked here, all these channels become open for me. It means that I have practically, or we can say officially, entered this Discord server. One more thing, always remember, if you haven't verify your entry, then you can't enter in this giveaway. So always remember. So as I have completed all the steps here, so now what we have to do is just we have to fill this form, this Google form here. Let me just fill it. It's a quite easy thing. So what it is asking for? It is asking for a Twitter username. So my Twitter username is this one. Okay. So let me just put here. Okay, the next thing, it is asking for the link of your retweet. I hope you have understand now that why I have told you to go for the code tweet. Okay, so let me just here is my retweet. So this is my retweet which I have given here. So let me just copy its link here. So here it is. Copy link of my retweet, and it is asking for my Telegram username. My Telegram username is same as this. So let me just click here. Now it is asking for the Discord username. For Discord username, what you have to do is just hover your mouse here, just click on it. Okay, it has copied my Discord username. So let me just click here it. Now asking for the TRC20 wallet address. So let me just put my TRC20 wallet address. So this is my Tron blockchain address for the USDT. So I put here. Now all I have to do is just submit it. Okay. Now I have entered in this big giveaway. Let me have your valuable wishes so that I can win, and my best wishes for you too, so that you will also win. So I just participate in this giveaway. The steps are very easy. Thank you for watching. If you are liking my efforts, then please like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.